This one's for the folks that like to see the gory details. I was looking on the shelf in my shop the other day and I found my original kicker plate that was on my bike. This is the one that had the center offset, and from the center of the outer ring the difference was 55 thousandths of an inch. That caused a big problem. But on Saturday, May 18th, I finally got after this inspection plate. These screw holes hold on the inspection plate that had come loose at Oley, and unfortunately a couple of those holes are actually stripped. I did manage that hole and that hole. The screws are actually not threaded properly into the case, but the other two are holding it on okay. So for the time being, this will keep the oil in the case. I had to work on the gas caps. There was leaking gas onto the tank, so I had to drill those out, tap them, and put some pipe threads in, and put some little vents on there you see on a dirt bike. That's how it came out, and it won't leak gas anymore.